Welcome to EES Consultancy. Daugavpils is a state city in southeastern Latvia, located on the banks of the Daugava River, from which the city gets its name. The parts of the city north of the river belong to the historical Latvian region of Latgale, and those to the south lie in Salonia. The historical center of Daugavpils city is an architectural heritage of national importance. The construction work was carried out in the 19th century according to the project endorsed in St. Petersburg in 1826. The historical center is the greatest attraction of the city and one of the most successful examples of balancing the aspects of ancient and modern times. Daugavpils is one of the few cities in Latvia which can pride itself on a unified ensemble of both classic and eclectic styles. The cultural heritage of architectural, artistic, industrial, and historical monuments combined with the picturesque surroundings create the essence of Daugavpils' image and endow it with a special charm. In 2020 the municipality allocated €70,000 for the restoration of 8 historical buildings, including Art Nouveau and red brick buildings. Thank you.